Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi 13T. First of all, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up. Let's begin with an Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, choose Not Now if you want to in Updates window, and to close it, hit OK. Now just click on Close in Wait pop-up at the top. And to get rid of personalization one, choose History at the bottom of both devices. Wait for the pop-up to show, and when it does, just tap on wherever you want to. Yes, I agree to app personalization, or no thanks. Wherever you decided, click on Close this window. And then choose Receive at the bottom next to History of Xiaomi. Then Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on all of those categories available at the top and choose all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, you need to choose Allow again. When you finished, you can finally click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Sorry, misclick. And click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Xiaomi. Then allow camera access in the pop-up. And point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!